Hi, all of you. Van India is back with our Be Local for Local session. A very good evening to all of you. And today's session will be hosted by me, Sejal Raja. Our guest for today's session is a dynamic lady, Anjum Bilal. Anjum, she is a research scientist with a decade experience at different companies and MNCs like Sami Lab and Symbiotic, and she is enthusiastic lady inspiring fellow women for self stand. At present, she is the co-founder of VIOC, the simple solution for iron deficiency, with a mission of providing affordable and accessible nutrition for all. Hi Anjum.
Hi, Sejal. Hi, everyone. So first, let me thank Sejal for giving this opportunity. And even we might all have heard of this When India. When India is a Women Empowerment Network Association, supports and it motivates the women through networking also. So it uplifts the spirit of entrepreneurship among women through various events, and it supports the women to take the business to new horizon or heights. So it also the women people also encourage the participation in exhibitions, seminars, and self-help sessions. This benefits there are a lot of benefits in the When membership. To become a When member, be a part of it, wherein we will support, provide opportunity to scale up their business. There is an opportunity to travel overseas and across India. All this support will come only through When. So, thank you so much, Sejal, for your intro. And even I can tell you, I'm short of words to tell about you. The work what you and your team is doing is really great. There's no words to express that. Nowadays, it's really very hard. People have time to think of others, and you people are doing really a great job. I really congratulate for you and your team for this work, and wishing you good luck for that for further works.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
So, as Sejal said, I am Anjum Bilal, co-founder and a research scientist in Aspera PR Private Limited. So, today I'll be giving you a brief up about chocolate. Can you share the screen, Sejal, please?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have Aspera Spear Private Limited have a product by name called as ViaChalk. So we have come up with a simple and innovative solution for this iron deficiency. Next slide. So that's the ViaChalk we can see there. So our company by name Aspera Spear Private Limited. Next slide. We can see that we have our own goal, motto, and vision and mission of the company. The goal of the company is the eradication of iron deficiency anemia internationally, and the motto is service satisfaction. The vision being we try to visualize the healthy and energetic world. Mission is the better and productive economy too. Next. So the problem statement. What is a problem statement we are trying to focus on is when we did a research work, we came to know that there is a silent what killer in the society known as the iron deficiency. What exactly is this? What will be the resultant of it? So we know that the iron is present in the body. It mainly helps in carrying the oxygen. We might have heard of this hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the carrier of oxygen, right? So we find that the iron deficiency is something where we find that in the condition the oxygen level get decreased, thereby the hemoglobin content will also decrease. That results in severe health problems, which we can see further. And we find that this iron deficiency is mainly found in 70% of the women, 60% of the growing children, and 23% of the male. So if we leave this untreated, this might lead to several serious health problems also. So it is better to rectify this in the beginning stage so that it will not lead to any other problem. Next. So this is a there's a problem. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, they said iron deficiency is one of the top nutritional disorder in the world. The research suggests that nearly 80% of the people in the world don't have enough iron in the body. So mainly we can find, the common at the times in the life, we can see it mainly in the women. Women, as I said, the women are very much prone to this due to they have this monthly periodic problem. There will be a loss of blood, and during the pregnancy the need of iron is more, and even childhood, during the growth of the children, they won't have a proper nutritious food where they are exposed for this iron deficiency. Next. So we find that the major impact is found on the toddlers and even on the teenagers, might be of the reproductive age, the women. And we find that the one who are very much addicted to this or used to having this junk food, also the one who have an habit of donating blood continuously. All these reasons, we find that the iron content will be decreased in the body, whereby it will result in several serious health issues. So according to this WHO research, we can find that in the previous slide, yes, yeah. So we can find that in the 2017 in India, 51% of women of the reproductive age have this anemia. That is nothing but the iron deficiency anemia. And according to this NFHS, that is National Family Health Survey, in Karnataka nearly 51.2% of women are anemic. And when we come to a Bangalore, we can find that among 280 pregnant women, 72.9% who are more than 20 years of age, and they are anemic. The housewife, around 91.8% are anemic, and in the upper lower class we can find 57.5% are anemic. This is the status of the women majorly suffering from this iron deficiency. Next. So here we have come up with a simple and innovative solution in the form of chocolate. The name of the chocolate is Via Chalk. Yeah, mainly Via Chalk is made up of natural ingredients and with the iron absorption agent, and we can also find it is completely free from this. There's no chemicals, no preservatives, no colors or additives, and it has got high iron and immunity booster in that, and it helps in the iron absorbent also. It is safe for all the ages, and it is cost effective. It has got several other multiple benefits like next. Several benefits like you can see that the major change experienced in the children. As I said, this children usually won't have a nutritious food, so sometimes they even develop a condition called as a pica. Pica is having this chalk or mud or ice, the tendency to have this more. Thereby they won't feel like having food which is nutritious. So after having this chocolate, as I said, this consists of several natural ingredients like we have flax seeds, sesame seeds, nigella seeds, dried dates, almonds, pistachios, and all. This majorly helps to what increase the iron content in the body, and the absorption. As I said, there's an absorbing agent also that helps in the absorption of the iron. So we have seen that after consuming the chocolates in the children who were very lethargy and sleepy, were feeling very tired, they have experienced a major change. They have become active and energetic after having this chocolate. Next. The other benefits, we can find that it also boosts the immunity. See, when our immunity is less, we are prone to many of the infections, might be a viral or bacterial anything. So our this chocolate Via Chalk has a very immunity boosting agent, so thereby it even boosts the immunity. Next. We find that the very hard time of every woman's life is during our periods, when we have this menstrual cramps. The pain what we go through is like it can't be expressed. So this Via Chalk, it helps during those days by soothing it. We will feel much the pain or the problem what we are facing during that time is reduced after having this chocolate. Next. These are the benefits of the Via Chalk apart from this boosting the iron. And if anyone is suffering from iron deficiency anemia and is can find one as a symptom as a hair fall, it can be reduced by having this chocolate. See, be very clear. Only if the person is having hair fall due to iron deficiency have seen the changes after having a chocolate with the lustrous hairs. Next. So we have seen, many of them after using the chocolate who have this pale, dull skin, and even some of them allergies. It has come down after using the chocolate, where even they can find the glowing skin after the having the chocolates. Next. So here the value proposition, we have a lot of iron supplements in the market, and chocolates also, a lot of chocolates in the market. So we find that the uniqueness of the Chalk is it doesn't need any prescription. It's in the chocolate form. It is easily available, easy to pop up, and as I said, it has got high iron absorbent, and it has got multiple other health benefits also. It's cost effective with USP2. Next. Variants. This Chalk has got 4 different variants. First being the premium cocoa. Premium cocoa is mainly for the dark chocolate lovers who love this dark chocolate, where the cocoa content is high and sugar content is low. And the second variant we have is a Cocoa Light. Cocoa Light is for the normal chocolate lovers who will love the sweet chocolates, where the cocoa and sugar is medium. We have a third variant called as a Cocoa Free. Cocoa Free is mainly for the one who are allergic to cocoa, where the cocoa is completely nil and sugar is high. So it's very sweet. And the fourth variant is the sugar-free chocolate. Sugar-free is, mainly for the one diabetes also, and the one who are very diet conscious can have this, where the sugar is completely nil in this variant. These are the 4 variants of the Via Chalk. Next. So as I said before, this Via chocolate is pure vegetarian. There are no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no preservatives, no animal fats. It's completely a pure vegetarian chocolate. And we can also see the certifications. What we have obtained is we have got a test done at the Defense Food Research Laboratory. We have trademark got registered. We have got a license from FSSAI. We have lab test. We have received a lab test from this TUV, which is a certified lab. We have applied for the patent. Next. So the clinical studies, we have done the clinical studies, in this government pharmacy college, where they have used this chocolate on the mice, and they have come up with the result by saying that it has, improved the iron content and also the HB in the mice. Next. So here's our team. You can see that a founder is Mr. Abdul Jalil. He's a founder. Our other co-founder is Nujaiba Jalil. Then we have a mentor advisors from the mentor board. We have Vivek Srinivasan from IMB and Dr. Shobha. She is also an associate professor and a doctor. And the rest are the team members. Next. So here are the feedbacks and the testimonials from the various customers who have had this Via Chalk. So they have really found many positive changes after having the chocolate, and they have given this positive feedback. Thank you, thank you. This is the thing regarding the Via Chalk. Yes, Sejal.
Yeah. Hi, Anjum. So, viewers, I want to tell you one thing. I was really impressed by the taste of Viok Nutrition Chocolate. It tastes actually, I have also tasted. It tastes absolutely delicious in smoothies. I love knowing I was getting a nourishing boost of vitamins and minerals and felt energized and full for the day after. So it's very nice. Please,
Wow.
viewers,
Thank you.
touch with Viok. Yeah, and you,
Via
yes.
Chalk, yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Anjumji, for joining us
Thank
on
you.
this platform today.
Thank
We
you.
wish
Thank you,
you
Sejal.
and the team of and may you all keep doing well. And thank you for donating nutrition chocolates to Children Orphanage and Kidwai Hospital for Cancer Children.
Thank you, Sejal. That's our
And
pleasure.
before
Thank you so
we
much.
end our Yeah, and before we end our Be Local for Local session for today, When India will like to thank you all for immense support for our hunger relief project during this tough pandemic times. Extending our support to women entrepreneurs, our current project is Restart India, where we are focused to help ladies who who have lost jobs and the ones who are home-based small-scale businesses.
That's really very nice and very great of you and your team, Sejal.
We are now targeting to offer MSME clusters. Yes, thank you, because you are also supporting us, and Amazon Sally and many other opportunities. So thank you all for
Right.
joining us today. Let's get vocal for local and let's restart India.
Yeah.
So Anjanji, yes, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you. That's my pleasure. Thank you so much, Sejal.